Hello children, welcome to 3rd standard English. Today topic the Big Brother. The Big Brother. Children, before entering into the lesson, we must learn about cleanliness. What is the meaning of cleanliness? Cleanliness means being clean or keep things clean. Okay. Children, how do you keep yourself clean? What shall we do for keeping clean? We wash our hands to remove germs. Then maintain your personal hygienic. Personal hygienic means wash your hands after play, then cover your mouth while sneezing, brush your teeth twice a day. Okay, then do not use an open place as a toilet. Okay, we do not use open place as a toilet. Okay, then rinse your mouth after every meal. Okay, we should focus on keeping yourself clean as well as your living area. Your living area such as your home, your toilet. Okay, keep your area tidy and clean. Keep your area tidy and clean. Okay, we are going to see the story of Untidy Boy, the Big Brother, written by Laura E. Richards. Okay children, listen the story, enjoy the story. Okay, there was once a child who was untidy. He left his books on the floor and he mud shoes on the table. He put his fingers in the jam pots and spilled ink on his best pinafore. There was really no end to his untidiness. Where did he leave his books? He left his books on the floor and shoes on the table. One day, the tidy angel came into his nursery. "This will never do," said the angel. "This is really shocking. You must go out and stay with your brother while I set things to right place here," the angel said to the boy. Next, "I have no brother," said the child. "I have no brother," said the child. The angel said, "Yes, you have. Yes, you have. You may not know him. You may not know him, but he will know you. He will know you. Go out in the garden and watch for him. Go out in the garden and watch for him, and he will soon come." "I don't know what you mean," said the child. But he went out in the garden and waited. He went out into the garden and waited. Presently, a squirrel came along, whisking his tail. "Are you my brother?" asked the child. The squirrel looked him over carefully. "Well, I should hope not," he said. "My fur is neat and smooth." The squirrel said, "My fur is neat and smooth." Fur means hair. Okay. "My nest is handsomely made." My nest is handsomely made. "And in perfect order also. And my young ones are properly brought up." My young ones are properly brought up. Why? Do you insult me by asking such a question? The squirrel asked. Okay. Then he whisked off, and the child waited. Presently, a wren came hopping by. Are you my brother? Asked the child. The bird said, no, indeed. Indeed means really. No, indeed, said the wren. What impertinence? Impertinence means lack of respect. Okay. You will find no tidier person than I in the whole garden. Look at me, the bird said. Look at me. Not a feather is out of place. And my eggs are the wonder of all for smoothness and beauty. Brother, indeed, he hopped off, ruffling his feathers, and the child waited. Okay, children, now I am going to ask question. Okay, list the animals who the child meet in the garden. The child met squirrel and wren. Then some other animals also waiting, children, that we will see in the next part. Okay. Then who came to the nursery one day? Who came to the nursery one day? The tidy angel came to the nursery. N means a bird. Bird. Whisking star with a slight rapid movement. Pinafore, a sleeveless apron worn by children. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next video.